Hi loves, welcome back to another cozy Sunday video. Today I'm answering your burning skincare questions. So grab a cup of tea as it's Sunday afternoon and I am having my coffee here because it is so hot here. I promise it's gonna be very fun and informative video. So let's take a sip and get started with the video. Can you see that? It's our skincare love that we both shared on a cozy Sunday afternoon. So get cozy and talk all things skincare because we are going to spill the coffee. Literally because I have my coffee right here and I'm halfway through because it is so hot here. Tell me the weather in your country because in Canada, it is super hot. Cold coffee and cold beverages are the only way to go. So I might sip a little bit while talking because we need that. So we're gonna start off with skincare first. So I'm gonna do my skincare with you guys and the little bit of makeup that I do in this summer heat to look presentable. So can you really shrink your pores? Okay, I know you've heard this one, that you can shrink your pores with the right products, but spoiler alert, no, you cannot. Guys, let's be real. Like, pores don't shrink, but you can minimize their appearance. So let's break it down in a way that won't make your head spin. So pores are like windows to your skin, and trust me, no amount of skincare magic can make them disappear. But the good news is that there are ways to make them look smaller, like using exfoliating acids, but remember, no pore magic here. Now, before taking any questions, I want to talk about in my summer skincare, instead of using toner and serum separately, I just used essence or ampoule because it does the job of toner and a serum both. So currently I'm using this rice one because it provides glow and hydration both. So I have my notes with me and all my questions are here. So let's get started with the very first one. This is like a very common question that I get a lot. Is it true that vitamin C serums can cause irritation if used with retinols? Now, what do you think is the answer? And the answer is, of course. Now, this is a very infamous skincare power couple, which is like vitamin C and retinol. Whenever combined, they burst. They basically are like friend group that never get along. Now, vitamin C is acidic and retinol can be drying when used together. So you might end up with irritated skin. But don't worry, I've got a solution. Layer them carefully, or better yet, use them on different days. It basically means no drama in your skincare routine. So if you want to use both just in case, then make sure you are using vitamin C in the daytime and retinol in the nighttime. Don't use them together in the same skincare routine. Otherwise, the trauma is real. This is a new sunscreen that I've been obsessed with lately. In fact, summer is here. I just made my top Korean sunscreens video in case you want to check it out. So we are all set with the skincare. We basically did 3 steps. That is using an essence, then moisturizer, and then finishing it up with a sunscreen. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit oil or lip balm before diving into makeup. Okay, so the second question that I get a lot is like, can you really have too many steps in skincare routine? What's the perfect routine length? So look, there is no reward for longer skincare routines unless you are trying to become a skincare influencer who does like this 10-step skincare routine. You just need to follow a basic skincare routine, and that's what I always suggest in all of my videos, like a basic cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen is all that you need. And anything extra, I would say, should be treated as a oops. Because let's be real, I don't want to be spending hours on doing my skincare when my man is home and calling my name. So not my priority for sure. Definitely keeping it basic is what I do most of the days. Next question is about the fake accent. Like, oh my god, you have a fake accent. Oh my god, your content is good, but why you are talking like that? These kind of comments, I am honestly speaking, they make my day. Because I am a stay-at-home girl. I have nothing to do basically except creating content. So my life in general is very boring. So whenever I get comments like this, I get really happy because finally I have someone to talk to. I get really happy. But keeping the jokes aside, let me tell you something. I've been living in Canada for more than 6 years now, surrounded by a diverse group of friends, okay? It's like a flawless combination of all my influences. But if my skincare tips are working for you, so then I would say we both are in win-win situation. Because anyways, you are coming here for skincare reviews or content, not for my accent. That's what I think. Also, I don't do much when it comes to makeup. Whenever I want you to look like good and put together, I just use this blush. This is Luminoso from Milani. It is so old. And I just put this blush and you will gonna see the magic yourself right now. So along with all these questions, I also want to give you guys some quick skincare tips. So the first tip is for dry skin. If you really want to lock in the moisture in your skin and want to feel hydrated and plump all day, you need to layer your skincare while your skin is still damp. So when it's a little damp, apply your products. It is a game changer for people who have dry skin. In other ways, it's like watering your plants, but for your face. We gotta keep the hydration locked in, but just don't go overboard because your face is not a garden, babies. Tip number 2 is exfoliation is amazing for your skin, but please don't scrub your face like you're cleansing a pot. You really need to be gentle here because you are not trying to sandpaper your face, so be very gentle. And yeah, I just keep going till the time I feel like enough blushy and dewy, and this is the best part about this blush, and it is not so pigmented that you need to be very careful. You can just easily play around. But yeah, a gentle exfoliation is like nice soft hug for your skin, and scrubbing like a maniac, that's just a bad breakup waiting to happen, so don't do that. Now you see how it has changed the entire look. And I'm sitting in front of a window. Lighting is bad today, so maybe we're gonna do eyes as well, but we're gonna see. And for lips, most of the time it's like this lip pencil from Rimmel in the shade Capucine, and this NYX in the shade Cool Intentions. Maybe I'm gonna go in with this NYX lip gloss, hydrating gloss. This one is in the shade Splash in Spice. Such a long name. I think I'm feeling this one today, so we're gonna see. But let's just make it a little fun and do a rapid fire of questions. Let's name it a rapid fire skincare Q&A. So the first one is, can I use eye cream all over my face? I mean, of course, only if you wanna look like you are living under a rock for 10 years. Question number 2. Can I use facial roller every day? I mean, yes, but I will say be gentle because I've seen people doing facial roller like this. I mean, you're not here to flatten any pizza dough, so be gentle. At the end of the day, it's your face, so that is more important. How beautiful this lip shade looks on me. And you know what, I'm just so obsessed with me. Yes, next question. Should I wash my face twice a day? I mean, yes, of course, but no one is judging if you hit the snooze and skip your morning cleanse. Just don't make it a habit. It just looks, this lip, what is that? Oil or hydrating gloss. Like in terms of gloss, this is good, but all these color things that people are talking about, it gives a beautiful color and everything, that is not true, I will say. The video is getting super long, guys, so I guess I'm just gonna take this much questions. Something I'm gonna say is, as it is the end of this video, skincare is not one size fit all, and there is no need to complicate things. Keep it simple, listen to your skin, and if something feels off, just believe that. Just believe that. Either stop using the product or just use it slowly. Because at the end of the day, you deserve to feel good in your skin, and that's what matters. If you also want to send questions, I will attach my Instagram link. Also, guys, I have a reward code for Yesstyle. I genuinely don't know how to use that, but I'm gonna insert it in the description bar if you want to use it for your purchase, or if it works. I genuinely don't know how it works and all, but I'm gonna attach it in the description bar. So in case you know it how to use it, you can use it. So lighting is so bad, but I am looking good for sure. Like in my mirror, I'm looking good. I'm gonna show you the images of outside. By the way, I've used a new L'Oreal gloss on my hair. Do you think my hair looks shiny? I definitely don't think so. But hair is looking good, but it's not looking shiny. Anyways, thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoy watching this one, and if you also have some questions that you want to ask, because I am thinking of doing this question answer series every Sunday, so if you have some questions, you can just let me know. I'm gonna attach my handle. I hope you have a good week ahead, and I'll see you within another video on Tuesday. Till then, bye bye.